can't create a 5-minute video, I can't do a 2-minute video. Stories are very simple, honestly. They're very, very simple. I saw Maurice's story yesterday night, half an hour video. It was so simple because I could see the pattern. एक hook था, एक journey थी, एक call to action था. Very simple. है sir? When somebody introduces sir on the stage, there itself hook is established, double diamond and all this journey that he's done. So people are like waiting. Oh, वो already hook है वहाँ पे. People are waiting for him. So he's got that first thing sorted. फिर उसके बाद he takes them on a down graph पहले तो. Very beautiful. Where he says how he had started his journey in the poverty. You know, एक challenge है उनकी life में और हम सबकी life में challenge होता है by the way. Like लग रहा होगा कि यार जैन तो sorted है but जैन second year engineering में fail था. About to just give up everything, couldn't become the football player for Man United that I wanted to be. Astrophysics नहीं कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि कोई university अब मुझे accept नहीं करेगी. तब भी कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ life में. Not probably a billionaire right now, but decently well. So we all have a story where we are somewhere here, identify what is that somewhere here, what is the lowest point, and then take it up. वहाँ से आप कैसे ऊपर गए हैं, एक जर्नी है आपकी, लोग तभी तो फॉलो करते हैं, इसलिए तो you watch movies and books, that's why you love 5 Point Someone. So you are all born storytellers, you just need to pick that up और फिर उसके बाद amazing सी story बनाओ और उसको एक social के लिए ऊपर interesting story. Biggest and last fourth big reason why people are not doing stories and social online because उनको लगता है कि मैं तो meetings कर लूँगा, I will find my contacts, I have 1000 contacts in my phone, I'll call them. But you face a lot of rejections.
Yes.
Yeah, we're all used to it. तो rejections मिलेंगे for people. तो and when you do it on scale, by the way, imagine like now Samarjit sir has like sir how many followers we have? 2 lakh people for Reshape Nation on Facebook. So that's huge man, like 2 lakh is a big number. 2 lakh में से अगर 2000 भी आ जाते हैं as a lead or 500, your job is kind of done. So we're not looking to convert everyone, we're looking to convert few people who are motivated to first of all buy our products, which was rightly pointed out by ma'am also. And secondly, then somewhere down the line if they're interested in a further deeper entrepreneurship journey, they get in touch with me and want to join me. So it is worth it. We'll talk about it. In fact, I'll show you 3 secrets. First of all, why is it worth it? If you're not convinced even now, let me tell you. आपके जो Amway के products हैं ना, मैंने अभी 2 कंज्यूम किए इधर. एक तो Sunfeast का वो चॉकलेट वाला, then Nutriwear वाला, and at home I've had Amway before. So the way your products are structured, mostly which are dealing with cooking or with skincare or with like nutrients in the body, this is not something which people take lightly. They need to establish trust for that first of all. They need to see you use it. है ना? Sir, अपने कार में लेके घूमो, गम लेके घूमो. These are very true points, man. Like if somebody sees you selling something and you're not using it, that's a deal breaker for me. तो पहली बात तो your products are structured in such a way that they need you to use it. So that's important. Secondly, social helps your user go along on the journey. एक स्टोरी बता रहे हैं तो उससे क्या होता है? सबसे पहली बात तो जो भी इससे टच हो रहा है, anyone who is touched by you, they first get drawn into your journey and then every time you are posting something, story, reel, interacting, DM करो लोगों को for sure. उनसे पूछो भाई तुम्हारी तबीयत सही है? बेचो मत, सिर्फ अगर सिर्फ पूछ के भी देखा ना ये तुम्हारी तबीयत सही है, they remember you for that. So just a second. So they remember you for that, and you know somewhere down the line when those constant touches are happening, they will buy from us or like they will want to get in touch some way or the other. Otherwise they'll at least recommend us to somebody else. So social का बहुत बड़ा impact ये है. And lastly, pandemic changed our lifestyle for sure. I don't even need to go into this, but it did. तो इन्हीं points को मैं एक बार फिर से बता दूँ. Trust is everything. In our business, social is a trust building measure that you are doing, and trust की बुनियाद ये जो belief होता है ना, I don't want just people to trust me, I want people to believe me. और believe लाने के लिए trust pillar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trust. जितनी बार हम टच कर रहे हैं हर पॉइंट्स के साथ वो पॉइंट्स एड अप होते जा रहे हैं बिलीफ के अंदर, and belief is unshakable. Trust तो एक बार तब भी फैक्ट होता है, उसको शायद झूठा प्रूव करने की लोग कोशिश कर सकते हैं, बट बिलीव ब्रो, शाहरुख खान का अभी सीन चल रहा है, यू ऑल नो दैट, बट हिज फैंस आर लाइक व्हाई, बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन इट, ही इज अ गुड मैन. सो बिलीव शेप नहीं हो सकता है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. And that's what trust will help you do through social media. It helps people move along that funnel. ये sales funnel देखा है सब लोगों ने? I'm sure. Yes, please raise your hands. Okay, great. So इसके अंदर ये जो awareness वाला part है, conversion engagement वाला part है, इससे क्या पता चल रहा है? पहली बात तो कि everybody is not going to be our customer. Secondly, top of the funnel is the biggest opportunity for us on social because 1.9 billion people are on Facebook. And another billion on Instagram. And daily LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp के ऊपर लोग आ ही जा रहे हैं. आज 4G और मोबाइल पूरे भारत में पहुंच गया इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन. So people have never used landline, they are using smartphone directly. बच्चे को पता है how to use Facebook and Insta. So it's a great opportunity for us, for Amway, and your social is helping you do that. So pull people into the social funnel. और फिर उसके बाद somewhere down the line they, let's say सर का HWA प्रोग्राम है, you know somewhere down the line I will want to sign up for it, and then अच्छा sign up for it, I get a solution, I get something, फिर उसके बाद that's not the end of your journey. सिर्फ मैं प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं आया था. I want some people to join my downline, I want people to become members with me. तो उसके लिए पहली बात तो वो खरीदे और ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट, right? अगर if somebody signs up for HWL program by Reshape, so first of all we want them to experience it. Secondly, he wants to experience it again and again. And lastly, at some point he wants to become an advocate in such a way कि वो 4 लोग और लेके आएगा. He says, bro, I use this product, you should also. वो खुद बोलेगा. And he becomes part of our cycle again and again. So ये एक cycle होती है हमारी लाइफ में. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कई बार लाइफ में déjà vu होता है. Like I've experienced this before when I was younger, when I'm old, like at every stage of our life. वो क्यों होता है? क्योंकि ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग है ना, ये अपनी लाइफ में चलती जा रही है, अलग अलग स्पीयर्स में है. सिर्फ ये एक फनल नहीं है एमवे का. दिस इज योर पर्सनल लाइफ स्टोरी फनल एज वेल. Every story from Harry Potter to Ram Sita Ramayan, everything has been written on this proven fact. Go and study it. हीरो जर्नी जो होती है, जो मैं बता रहा था, ये ऐसा लूप इस सब जगह है. तो इसको पहचानिए और इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए. एंड लास्टली पैंडेमिक वाला पॉइंट, इफ़ यू सी स्टैटिस्टिक्स, इफ यू स्टिल डोंट बिलीव मी, स्टैटिस्टिक्स देख लीजिए. ऑल द टाइम पीपल स्पेंड ऑन सोशल. हाउ मच टाइम डू यू स्पेंड ऑन सोशल एवरी डे? I spend more than 10 hours, which is very unhealthy. बाकी लोग, who spends more than 4 hours? 4 hours on social. या बस इतने से लोग, बाकी लोग नहीं करते सोशल मीडिया. हाँ अच्छा, नोटिस ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. इट्स जस्ट लाइक नाउ अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. ओके, दैट मे बी क्योंकि यूट्यूब रील कुछ तो चलते रहता, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट व्हाट्सएप के नोटिफिकेशन खोल के देख रहे हैं बीच में. You do spend 2, 3, 4 hours every day, and when you're spending that time, mostly you're spending it on social. 30-40% of your time on social. And बाकी भी अगर आप stat देख लेंगे, what are people really doing? They're watching YouTube, they're watching Spotify, listening. वो है social, ही content consume कर रहे हैं, story जा रही है कहीं ना कहीं. So the pandemic tried to force us into being these unsocial people. घर पे बैठो, है ना, बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी अब खत्म हो गई ऑफलाइन वालों की, ऐसा करने की कोशिश की पैंडेमिक ने. बट हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, वी स्टिल फाउंड अ वे टू बी सोशल. जूम नाम की चीज़ है आई लाइफ में, एंड इट्स जस्ट चेंज्ड एंड रेवोल्यूशनाइज्ड हाउ पीपल आर वर्किंग. ऑफिसेज व्हिच वर अबैंडन्ड आर नाउ हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन थ्रू जूम, गूगल मीट और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस टीम, व्हाटएवर यू आर यूजिंग. इट्स ऑल ब्रिलियंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो आई इनफैक्ट एमवे के आई थिंक कुछ इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं वेयर I don't know how you do it. It's some software जिसके अंदर I can see this person standing here. वो पूरा it's very virtual and people can interact there. It's beautiful. Virtual reality आने वाली है. तो people are finding amazing ways to be social online, and the number of conversations which have happened on social increase हो गई है. मेरी मम्मी पहले जब Facebook नहीं चलाती थी, अब वो constantly stories डालती है WhatsApp के ऊपर. People have like constantly if they're not posting something, they're DMing people. WhatsApp तो use कर रहे हैं for sure. So the number of conversations has increased during the pandemic, and it is going to stay even if the pandemic and this lockdown eases out. तब भी you are still better than what you were 4 years ago. I want to talk about, sir, this case study of yours. I've been just noticing and talking about again and again with people. ये Reshape Nation जो है, इसको देख के मैं बहुत इंस्पायर होता हूँ because what is it? It's a community built around genuine passion. I saw it when he spoke, and it just happens that in the last 3 months with my Potbelly here, literally here, ऐसे हुई कि मैं 3 महीने पहले बिफोर एमबीए कॉन्शियसली मैंने रोनाल्डो को एक दिन कोका कोला की बॉटल साइड में रखते हुए देखा. And I was like, bro, what are you doing? This is your role model. What were you before and what are you now? So that passion got reignited. I got Hotstar subscription to watch all Manchester United matches, and I start running 5 kilometers every day. कल सर ने मेरे को बीच में भी भागते हुए देखा. I've seriously reduced. So it's a community built around genuine passion, which is mission obesity free India. India is the diabetes capital of India. So very genuine mission, genuine community, and they prove it. ये जो trust हम कह रहे थे ना, 1, 2, 3, 4, every touch point is that. Every post is a trust building measure, where I'm showing these physical transformation success, and not just one, but as I said, persistently over a time. And providing value at every step. It's not just कि मैंने वो फोटो डाल दिया, उससे वैल्यू क्या मिल रही है सामने वाले को. सर ने सोल्यूशन की भी बात की थी कि सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड कीजिए भाई. If you can take people on a physical trek somewhere as a weekend exercise, please do that if you are wanting to build your community. This post is amazing. You can't see the caption, but it reads actually that apartment friendly workout, no jumping, no noise, exercises. Video तो ठीक है, मतलब like I'm sure it was wonderful exercise, but it's the caption that really took my heart away, because they are solving genuine problem over there. Pandemic के अंदर भाई मैं नहीं कूद सकता हूँ घर में because people will complain. So they have this no jumping exercises, no noise exercise. Brilliant. छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है but वो सॉल्व करके उन्होंने दिल जीत लिया मेरा, और I'm sure जिसने भी देखा होगा वो वीडियो. So they've got people hooked into the journey now. And when people are hooked into the journey, at some point they will visit your Facebook page, they will want to message you, और जब वो मैसेज करते हैं तो उनको ये लिंक मिलता है, यहाँ पे ये साइन अप करते हैं. And once you have your phone number, email ID, you have collected the lead. अब आप उससे मीटिंग कीजिए, या फिर in this case they want to give you a solution for weight loss. Do that, whatever. Then world is yours. After that I don't need to explain you. You guys are the masters of sale. So social ये opportunity है lead generation वाली. First to sell my product or solution in this case, and secondly, maybe later, as I said, when people have used your product enough, when you also identify कि भाई ये बंदे का skill क्या है, ये बंदा कितना use कर रहा है, क्या ये future में आगे जाके अच्छा करेगा, you pick that person up. Identify talent. Entrepreneurship में सबसे बड़ा मेरे को लगता है talent identification is one of the most important skills you should have. कौन आगे जाएगा, फालतू के लोगों को लेके कोई फायदा भी नहीं है. So they're not directly selling their products. Just let me reinforce that to you, just in case you thought social is about something else. They're not directly selling their products. It's a community which is telling a story of passionate members. अपने members की story बताते हैं, ठीक है? Which is what takes your heart away. Once you do that, फिर वो आगे story बढ़ती जाती है. So, are you convinced now? Yeah. Are you convinced?